Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening FaceTime or the phone app and choosing FaceTime audio. This immediately uses Apple's audio codec for clearer voice. Once done, pick the contact, phone number, or Apple ID because FaceTime routes to registered accounts. Make sure microphone permissions are on and check your network. Wi-Fi gives better quality than cellular. If you want hands-free, tap speaker, otherwise keep the phone to your ear. This step gets you into an active, optimized audio session quickly. Once connected, you manage the call with on-screen controls. Mute to eliminate background noise, add person to convert to a group FaceTime audio call, and hold to pause. Make sure to switch audio routes depending on environment, speaker for loud hands-free or earpiece for privacy, because the chosen route affects volume and echo. If video accidentally turns on, disable camera to save bandwidth. Keep an eye on signal bars. Weak Wi-Fi means you may need to move closer to the router or switch to cellular. You finish by tapping End. Afterwards, review the call in FaceTime or phone logs for confirmation. If audio drops or quality is poor, first toggle Wi-Fi off and on or switch to cellular, because transient network issues often cause problems. Restarting the FaceTime app or your device clears temporary glitches. If trouble persists, sign out and back into your Apple ID and check for iOS updates. These fixes resolve permission or compatibility faults. One quick tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.